Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find Gmail password. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, if you have forgotten your password, you're trying to look for the password on the account that you're logged in on. Several methods here of security, several layers of security that Gmail has. But I'll show you how to get through that or get to that. So you're going to, if you're already logged in and you want to find the password area, you can go to your profile and then go to Manage Your Google Account. Inside of here on the left, you're going to go to Security. Inside of Security, if you scroll down a little bit, says How do you sign in? And there's this password section right here. So you can click on that, and it's probably going to ask to verify yourself. So you're going to have to enter in your password to see that password, to be able to change the password, etc. And so if you are just trying to log into an account, you probably see something like this. You've typed in the username, and then you're having to type in the password. There is a forgot password option down here. There's several options here to figure out the password, but when we click on that, it's going to take us through account recovery. And whatever the first option is, it could be multiple different things. It could be sending a verification code to an email. It could be something with your phone number. It could be verifying within the Gmail app on your phone. There's lots of different methods depending on what you have set up on your account. That's what's going to probably pop up first. So in this case, a sign-in link will be sent to my email. Google needs time to verify it's me making this request. So if I don't see the email, so this doesn't really make sense, but it kind of does because I'm logged in. So Gmail kind of knows if you're logged in or logged out, what you're up to a little bit here. So eventually, you'll get something like this, where Google has to verify that you actually own the account, or they can't verify that you own the account. But there are multiple ways to get your password, either reset or get logged into an account where you've forgotten your password. And so whether it's to the recovery email that's on the account, which there should be one, sending something to your phone number, anything like that. That's kind of what you have to do, is click that Forgot Password and go through whatever the Gmail options are. You can click Try Another Way, and there will be options to try different ways to log in. So let me try a different account here. We're going to try this one, and I'm going to sign out of that account. And we'll say we forgot the password on this account. So I have multiple options here for the account recovery. So I could enter my password here that I remember. I can log in through Passkey, and there is also Try Another Way option. If we click on it, you also here want enter your password, but again, if we click on Try Another option, I could also get a verification code through the two-step verification phone number that I have set up. I could also try another way to sign in. This may or may not work. We'll click this again and see what happens. So it will send me a link to my phone, which I have set up on this account, so we can try again later or use account recovery for help. Now, what is account recovery? Well, we can go up here and say Gmail account recovery and search for that. And there is a Google Help doc that will show up how to recover your Google account or your Gmail. We click on that, and down here, if you forgot your password, there's a couple different options. We can try to recover our Gmail account. So we're going to click on that, and this will actually probably take us through either the same or maybe some different steps. Let's see here. I think it's actually, is it this? I think it's this email, and we'll click next. And so here's the same options again, and I bet you this will be the same option down here when we click Try Another Way, that it can't verify. And that's fine. So those are the couple different options there to try to get the password for an account. It just depends on the recovery options that you have set up for that account. And then once you go through those recovery options, you'll be able to log in and get to your password information. And that's it. So that's basically how you can find Gmail password. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.